What's up, people? My name's Jack. Welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today, we're talking about how much money YouTube paid me for 1 million views. I'm going to break it down. I'm going to break down a reason why. And there's one very, very special document. Let me give you a quick sneak preview, all right? There's one very, very special document that is literally going to illustrate to you some of the absolute highest paid topics here on YouTube. And some of the least high paid, that didn't make a whole lot of sense. Some of the lowest paid topics here on YouTube as well. So I want to make this a educational video, essentially. If you guys saw my video, I don't know, 3 weeks ago or something, YouTube paid me $30,000 for one video. That is true. That's the most money I've ever been paid from one YouTube video. You can go watch that video. I'll leave a link down below after this one. Tune into this one as well. And without further ado, let's jump into, I'm going to showcase to you guys how much I was paid for 1 million views, which a video called the Learn Everything About Adobe Premiere Pro just hit 1 million views. So I literally just have fresh data for you guys on how much money YouTube paid me for this specific video, which just smashed 1 million views. Also, we're gonna go ahead and break down this this specific chart over here, which is overall very, very useful. Real quickly, guys, today's video is sponsored by Audio.com, premium sound effects and music library built specifically for filmmakers and video creators of all kinds. Perfect for YouTubers. We all need background music, sound effects, etc. for our videos. You can literally hear mine playing as we speak, and Audio is a one-stop shop for all your audio needs. It's literally in the name. They're literally called Audio. Why go anywhere else? Link in the top line of the description for a free trial and get 10% off the full version when you use code JackCole10. Again, that is Audio.com, premium sound effects and music library. Let's crack on with the video. So, real quick, the exact sort of part that, you know, is built into the title before we get into the educational side of stuff. This is the video. This is my Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass. Now, my Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass, uploaded it a couple years ago, as you can see, literally just gone 2 years ago, and it smashed 1 million views. Now, for anybody wanting to learn Adobe Premiere Pro, it's a great course. Completely free, 5 hours long, 4 hours and 53 minutes, and it has time codes in the description, basically linking to every single individual lesson in the massive course. Now, this smashed 1 million views, and for that million views has made me $6,000. $6,000 over the course of the past 2 years, right? So that's about $3,000 a year. Let's go ahead and have a look at a calculation. If it's $6,287 divided by 365 times 2 is $34 a day, something like that, right? So I've been paid $34 a day for this particular video right here ever since I created it over 2 years ago, which is absolutely crazy. That's one of the reasons why I love YouTube so much, because it's a passive income machine unrivaled by any other one. Not true. There's definitely some bigger passive income opportunities on the internet, but if you can get some YouTube videos going and getting traction, you could print money. Like, you know, you make the video and then it goes on to generate you loads and loads and loads and loads of money over a significant period of time. There's a couple factors that contribute to that. SEO, picking a topic of a video that's actually relevant and popular. For example, if I did learn everything about, you know, clipping your toenails or clipping your fingernails, people might not care about that enough to search it up. But because people actually want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro, the fact that I was able to get this bad boy out there and there's massive demand for this topic was the reason why we were able to rack up a lot of money. Now, also the CPM was about $6.21. RPM rather was $6.21 per 1,000 views, which means per 1,000 views, I was making about $6.21. The video has 1 million views. 1 million is 1,000 times 621 gives us 6,287, about the same. Anyways, enough of that. That was how much I made. You could see the game's the game. That's it. This is the value part of the video. You guys know that I don't just want to flex the amount of money that I made, right? I want to flex a little bit, you know what I mean? You got to be honest. But at the end of the day, I want to demonstrate sort of a method to the madness, why I was able to generate a significant amount of money. And that is with a very interesting article that I found. Now, I showed you guys a different graphic in the how the YouTube paid me $30,000 a year video, or $30,000 for one video. But this is a different graph, essentially, that I found just messing around with trying to find the highest paid topics. And depending on the topic that you make a YouTube video about, depends on the amount of money you receive for that video. Because there's different advertisements that can go on different topics, and some of them pay more. It's as simple as that. This document shows you which videos get the most views, the highest income, the least income, and the least views. So in theory, if you're making videos about stuff that gets loads of views and loads of money, you're balling. if you make a video about something that's making no money and getting no views, it's not looking great for you. That's the name of the game, right? So one of the absolute least paid topics you could be doing is history, literature, astronomy, right? Just not much money in it. There's not much advertisement demand, right, to put advertisements in front of that. And, the type of person that tunes into astronomy, literature, and history content isn't really valued that much from a monetary perspective from advertisers. However, if you're making videos about, credit card and mortgages, finance tips, stuff like that, you might not be getting loads of views because there's not the massive demand for it, but the companies want to convert the people who are viewing. So it's massively high paid ads because credit card, mortgage, insurance companies, like, if you sign, who cancels their insurance? You know what I mean? If you get insurance on your house, you sort of just keep that rolling over, right? So I think a customer is very valuable if they can convert an insurance customer or a mortgage customer. Because if you get a mortgage, you pay that mortgage for 30 years. You better believe you don't stop paying the mortgage. The only time you stop paying the mortgage is, unfortunately, if you die. We don't really want to think about that. That was a little bit dark right there. Don't know why that came to my head. But usually if you sell the house and then you still do pay the mortgage because you pay it all back from the proceeds of selling the house. Anyways, that's the reason why that particular area is massively well paid. Now, for me, I'm computer tutorials, right? I'm not even on the high end of views and money, right? I'm right here I'm into that views and money section, right? These were computer tutorials, right? Software tutorials, right? The buzzword software pays big boy dividends, not even dividends, big boy money, right, to do software stuff, but it's not even the absolute most money made. The most money made is on this sort of financial products and stuff like that. For me, I'm sitting around here and I'm making like a $6 per 1,000 views, which is a good CPM, but credit card mortgage people, these guys right here can make up to $20 per 1,000 views. It's absolutely disgusting how much money these guys can make. Now, personally, I don't have that many credit cards yet, and I'm not phenomenal. I'm 22 years old, so I'm not phenomenal at managing debt. So at the end of the day, I will not be making any videos about credit cards anytime soon or mortgages. Maybe making fun of myself because I ran up a massive credit card bill. We'll see. But overall, these are the absolute highest paid videos you can make on the internet. Credit card reviews, mortgage, loan-related videos, insurance, stock trading, engineering products, web hosting reviews, health products, automobile reviews, electronic gadget reviews, SEO, and tutorial courses. Now, tutorial courses are technically what I do, and the lowest earning video topics, movie reviews. Absolute nobody wants to pay for this stuff, I guess. Funny clips, obviously, funny clips are literally like you make a penny per quadrillion views that you get. Nobody wants to sponsor funny clips. And the reason for this is because there is no real serious viewers in there, right? The person viewing funny clips is a 14-year-old or, somebody who probably doesn't have much money, which means for an advertiser, they don't care. Like, they don't care about putting an ad in front of someone who's watching funny clips because that type of customer is not useful. They're not going to convert. They're going to ignore the ad, and they're not actually going to be a converting customer, which means there's no point in paying high to get in front of that content. Whereas if you're credit card reviews, right? Shit, I need to go start making some credit card reviews so I can get rich. But if you're doing credit card reviews, the type of person, the type of viewer who's tuning into that credit card review is more likely to take an actual action, aka sign up for the credit card, right? If you watch a video about a credit card review and before that video it comes up with the new, MasterCard, blah, 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 the brand new American Express that's going to give you this and that and points and shit, someone who's about to watch a credit card review will see that credit card advertisement and be like, oh, what? How many points am I getting? Oh, hell yeah. Bloop, click it. And they'll actually potentially convert as a customer, which means obviously credit card review or credit card companies will pay big boy bucks to advertise in front of credit card reviews, also mortgage reviews and insurance, because at the end of the day, these three right here, they're making shitloads of money nonstop. And they're obviously happy to put that back into acquiring a new customer. Acquiring new customers is the game. Obviously, retaining customers is the game as well, but acquiring new customers is a big deal as well. Overall, that right there is the video done and dusted. Thank you guys for tuning in. That right there is how much YouTube paid me for 1 million views. To summarize, they paid me $6,000 for 1 million views, and there's a couple situations behind why that particular situation occurred. But that was the video right there, done and dusted. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it massively. And I will see you guys in an upcoming video. Also, great video for you to watch next is the YouTube paid me $30,000 for one video. Here's why. Videos coming up now. Tune in. See ya.